Hi, now I want to show the update in the Google Sheet how directly we can connect Google Sheet to the Looker Studio. So we use Looker Studio for the dashboard creations. In this, click on the extension, go to Looker Studio and click on the create report and we get the option of which sheet we have selected. And once we have selected the sheet, we can click on create. Once we have created, click on the create option. It takes some time to load the data for the dashboard view of Looker Studio. And once it loads the data, we can do the modifications how we can create. It is showing the data in the bar chart and pie chart, and we can change which charts we want. And we can do the modifications based on the requirement. Thank you.